Hello everyone, this is Xin Liu for final project Parallax mapping. I'll walk you through the key features of the project focusing on parallax occlusion mapping and its interaction. This project demonstrates how to enhance flat surfaces with realistic depth effects using shaders. And by default, we can see this brick wall with normal mapping. And if we press one, and we will get this standard shader rendering, and it's with the diffuse and specular lighting. If we press 2, and we can go back to the normal mapping again, and if we press 3, now we get these parallax mapping effects. And we can easily see the difference between these two. And if we can press the up button, we can increase the depth scale, and the depth will be more significant in this case. And if we press down, and the depth value, scale value will decrease. So we can compare that. And if we press 4, we can see we have a little bit shadow here now, and which make it a little bit more realistic. And 3, 4, 3, 4. So this is a demonstration of this project, and now I can talk a little bit about this code, and we're gonna focus on the fragment GLSL file. And again, we're going to focus on the parallax occlusion mapping code. And for the first part, we dynamically determine the number of layers based on the view angle. And we use this formula here. And the mix function just make it more balanced. And then we use the dot products to get the result from the normal and also the view direction. And for the next part, we have this step size and initialization. And for the layer depth, it determines how deep each layer is in this simulation. And delta text codes adjusts the texture coordinates for each step scaled by the depth scale and number of layers. And for the next part, we have this while loop. In this loop, we compare the current simulated depth with the actual depth from the height map. The loop continues until we find where the surface depth crosses the current simulated depth. And once the surface depth is crossed, we refine the results by using this linear interpolation. And the last two steps will be added to refine the result, blending the last two steps for greater accuracy and smoother transitions. And then we can get the final text coordinates because of that. And thank you for watching the video.